Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install WinRAR and zip packing or unpacking app on Motorola Moto G23. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, find app called WinRAR, it's R-A-R. Hit the search button, sorry I spelled it wrong, so it should be like this. Select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the open. Now allow access to manage all files, go back, allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here, your app should be ready. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.